So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNTUH Explainer. See, yesterday I made a video on top 10 colleges for M.Tech in Telangana, and today I'm back with a brand new video where I will be explaining the branches that are offered by the top 10 colleges. See, before getting into the video, I want to clear that these are for the academic year 2026 and 2027. That means what you will be studying and what are the web options that you will be keeping. So it will be so helpful for you. So watch till at the end. See, these are branch list. These branch lists are real. That means compiled from each college's TS PGECET affiliated M.Tech and M.Pharm offering for the current cycle. That I already said you for the academic year 26 and 27. And what is CR? That means closing rank, and these are completely expected closing ranks based on the 2024 and 2025 counseling trends. If you want to know the closing rounds for this current year, then it can be said after the first phase. That's the reason I have taken the expected closing ranks. And always cross check. If you have any doubt, then you can definitely cross check. Now coming to the first one, this is an autonomous university campus, that is JNTUH College of Engineering, which is situated in Kakatiya, Hyderabad, and it was established in 1965, and it is a university constituent college, means the most biggest university in Telangana, and it offers CAC, EC specializations, VLSI and embedded systems, and triple E power electronics, mechanical, CAD and CAM. It also offers civil, structural engineering, chemical technology, GEO technical engineering, and M.Pharm pharmaceutical analysis. And we all know what departments they belong to. CSE belongs to computer science and engineering, EC belongs to electronics, triple E belongs to electrical, mechanical, CAD CAM belongs to mechanical department, civil, chemical, civil, and again pharmacy. GEO technical engineering also belongs to civil, so don't get confused. And these are the expected closing ranks for OC category. If you are someone who belongs to SC and ST category, then you can add some this you can extend this cutoff to 150 to 200 or 250. So don't get confused. And these are for the JNTUH College of Engineering. Let's get to the college number 2, that is Osmania University College of Engineering, which is situated in Gandipet, Hyderabad, and it was established in 1929. University Constituent College. See, this offers CSE, which is a department of computer science and engineering, and its expected closing rank is around 200 to 350 for OC category. And it also offers EC, which is at electronics department, and its expected closing rank is 400 to 600 if you are from OC. And same like JNTUH, it also offers triple E, mechanical, civil. But here we can observe some different branch which is metallurgical engineering, which is at which belongs to the metallurgy department, and its closing rank is 20 to 40. See, these kind of different branches have limited amount of faculty. That's the reason they take limited amount of students. So if you are someone who has a very good rank and you want to dedicatedly learn that, then you can't apply for that. And here we have M.Pharm in, and it offers pharmaceutics, which is a department which belongs to the pharmacy department, and its closing rank is 100 to 200. And everything you can note down or take a screenshot. Now coming to the third college, we have VNR Vignana Jyothi Institute of Engineering and Technology, which has a NAC A++ accreditation, and it's situated in Bachupalli. This offers lesser amount of branches, but they are so valuable. CSE's cutoff is 500 to 900. IT, see, you can do masters in IT, which belongs to information technology department, and its expected closing rank is 700 to 1100. And ECE, that belongs to electronic department again, and its closing rank is 1000 to 1500. Triple E, mechanical and civil engineering. And if you want to do dedicatedly civil engineering in structural engineering, then you can expect a closing rank, see, not 2400, but yes, around 2000. Now coming to the fourth college, we have Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, which is also known as CBIT. This is situated in Gandipet, Hyderabad, and it was established in 1979 too, and it's also have the autonomous NAC A++ accreditation. This has some nice valuable CSE branches in M.Tech, which is CSE, AI and data science, and ECE VLSI design, ECE VLSI design, and triple E power systems, mechanical and civil. See, these are the expected closing ranks, so you can see some difference in the real phase 1 phase 1 counseling. And now coming to the fifth college, we have Vasavi College of Engineering. See, it's situated in Ibrahim Bagh, Hyderabad, and this is affiliated to OU. And this has some quality masters branches like CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, and Civil. And its closing ranks are 600 to 1000 for for CSE, 900 to 1400 for IT, 1200 to 1800 for ECE, 1600 to 2200 for EEE, 1800 to 2500 for Mechanical, 1900 to 2600 for Civil. See, you can take a screenshot and you can make your web options list. Now coming to the sixth college, which is a reputed private college, which is B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, which is also known as BVRIT. This is situated in Narsapur, Medak, and this was established in 1997, and this has NAC A+ accreditation. This offers branches like CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, and Civil. And you can expect closing ranks of 1000 to 1500 for CSE, 1300 to 1900 for IT, 1600 to 2300 for ECE, 2000 to 2800 for EEE, 2200 to 3000 for Mechanical, and 2300 to 3200 for Civil. And now coming to the another college which is situated in Nadargal Rangareddy, which is MVSR Engineering College. See, this is also an autonomous college, and it is a college which has been like serving from very long time, from almost 1980, and this offers branches like CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, and Civil. And you can expect closing ranks from 1200 to 1800 for CSE, 1500 to 2100 for IT, 1900 to 2700 for ECE, 2300 to 3100 for EEE, 2500 to 3400 for Mechanical, and 2600 to 3500 for Civil. Now coming to the eighth college, which is G. Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science. This is situated in Shekhpet, Hyderabad, and this was established in 1997. And make sure that you are a woman when you are applying for this college, because it accepts only women, as it is a women autonomous colleges. This offers only 5 types of branches, which is CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, and Civil. This doesn't offer any pharmacy or mechanical branch. And if you are a girl whose rank is between 1500 to 2000, then you can apply for CSE. If your rank is between 1800 to 2500, then for IT, 2000 to 2800 for ECE, 2400 to 3200 for EEE, and 2800 to 3600 for Civil. And coming to the ninth college, we have Muffakham Jah College of Engineering and Technology, MJSET, and this is situated in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. It was also established a very long back ago, which was in 1980. And if you are someone whose caste is BC or he is from a minority, then you should definitely try this if you want to get a college. See, this has some nice closing ranks. If you want to target CSE, then your rank should be between 400 to 700, and if you want to target EC, then 1000 to 1600. If you want to target EEE, then your rank should be between 1400 to 2000, and if your rank is between 1600 to 2200, then you can definitely target Mechanical, and if your rank is 1700 to 2300, then you can target Civil. And coming to the last college, we have Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, which is situated in Warangal, and it was established in 1980, and it has a NAC A+ accreditation. See, this offers some 6 different branches, which is CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, and Civil. If your rank is between 2000 to 3000, you can target CSE, 2300 to 3200, you can target IT, 2600 to 3500, then you can target ECE, and if your rank is between 2900 to 3500, you can target EEE. And if your rank is between 3000 to 400, then you can target Mechanical, and if your rank is between 3100 to 4200, then you can target Civil. And here it's like a comparison between all the 10 colleges for EC rank, so you can take a screenshot over here and you can like keep that in your mind while keeping the web options. So before ending the video, I want to say that cross check every rank at the official website before locking choices, and follow uh,